All right, today we're gonna bring an actual doorknob, and this one's electronic, is a digital one, so it has a pin code to open the door. All right, and in case you forget your pin code, there's always a key and also a rescue here. If you, in case your batteries run out and you lose your keys, you can always connect a battery, a 9-volt battery to the connection, and also to open it up. So we're gonna set it up today. They give you 2 silicone covers, if you guys can see that. The instructions, they give a Phillips and all the screws that you're gonna require. So let's go ahead and set it up. This is very important, guys, to take out the battery case. I almost broke it because I didn't know how. So it's basically, you slide it in there, it clicks in there, there's a little click in there. All you gotta do is push the button and the case comes out. All right, that's where the batteries goes. Just make sure that you're aware of that. Unlock it. Right now it's locked, so even if you move it, you're not going to be able to do nothing. It's still locked. All right, but if you unlock it, I'm going to put 0 1 2 3 on, unlocks it, and there it goes. Very simple. That's how we do the code. You can set up your own proper code and set it up. So we have this, it's all perfectly done. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.